Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am going to be doing another quick and easy card for birthday. I am featuring new products from the 2018 holiday, 2018 occasions catalog, and this one is called Perennial Birthday. And I have already stamped this sentiment, the happy birthday, on a 1-inch strip of lemon lime twist. And I stamped it already in lemon lime twist. So this is that one, and I'm also going to be using, this is not new, but I'm going to be using the confetti celebration because I want to use this little string because it looks like it will be perfect for like a party. And of course I'm going to be using the Party Pandas, and this time I'm going to be using this little guy that has a little birthday hat. I'm also using the Picture Perfect Party Design Series paper, and this one is great. It's really cheerful, and while it is supposed to be all for party, you can really use it for any type of cards. On one side has all those other colors, and on this one is really more related for birthday parties. So I think it's a great one. And by the way, did I mention that anytime you purchase $50 worth of products, you can get one of the stamp sets for free out of the celebration. And this is part of that celebration brochure. And so if you spend $50 worth of products, you get this set for free. So it really is an awesome deal. And of course, I am in love with the pandas. I think almost all my cards right now have been using those little guys. So anyway, so let's just go ahead. This card is 5.5 by 8.5, and this one is the thick Whisper White. I have a piece of black, basic black, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. I also have a piece of that Design Series paper. Like I said, on this section looks like on this side looks like a more like a photograph, and then on this one has those bright colors, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5, so I can have my nice border. And then I have this where I'm going to be stamping the pandas, and this one is, let me just put it here, and this one is, I believe, 2 3/4, yeah, 2 3/4 by 4 1/4, and so this one will be 4 by 2.5. So anyway, and like I said, I had already stamped this one in lemon lime twist, and this one was in 1-inch width, and it's about 4 inches there, and I already flag the ends. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this. And I'm going to be stamping this one on, I'll probably be going to be using the Mellow Mambo. Let's just start with that one. Let's see how that looks. I probably need a piece of paper here. Yeah, I'm just going to put here. Okay, so I'm just going to put here a piece of paper. And I'm going to be stamping this like so. I think that will be fine, and I'll probably do one more here, and I think that should be fine. That looks like those light bulbs that you put on a birthday party, right? Then I'm going to be using the basic black, and let's just make sure I ink the image pretty well. Yes, and let's just put it like so. Alright. Wow, perfect. Okay, I love it when everything works out that well. I'll just take that piece of paper out of here because it's just bothering me. Okay. Then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the ink color markers, and I'm going to be using the Berry Burst and the Lemon Lime Twist. So for the Lemon Lime Twist, I'm going to be doing the hat. I'm just going to be coloring it. Alright, and I'm going to be doing the spots on the Berry Burst ink color markers. I think this looks awesome. And I'm going to be, of course, I'm going to be using the Wink of a Style. Well, you know what, let me just make sure it dries before I do it. But I'm going to be using now the blends, and this one is the Light of the Pink Pirouette, and I'm going to be just coloring the cheeks of this panda because I feel like it needs some cheeks. And I'm going to be doing some shadowing, and I know I used the archival, but I'm not really going to be doing major coloring. I'm just doing some shadowing so it has some color, my little guy. And that's about it. I don't know that you can see it, so let me just put it here. But here's how it looks. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, the little cheeks. Let me just see if I can do a little bit of shadow here. You can see it here. You can, if I put it here, you can see more of the little cheeks. I think that that makes it awesome, really. And then I'm going to be using Wink of a Stella. And let me just clean the brush. When you're using Wink of a Stella, you do need to be cleaning in between, especially with the markers, because it does pick up some of the color. So you need to make sure you clean it so that it's ready for you to use on the next time. And so here it is. Can you see the shimmery? Oh my goodness, that Wink of a Stella, it's always so I don't know, I always get so happy with it. So now we're gonna be assembling our car, and like I said, these little pandas are awesome because you don't really have to color that much. It really makes cars go really fast. And honestly, who wouldn't like pandas? So now I'm gonna be, and I'm using the Fast Fuse. I have mentioned it every single time, but this is one of my favorite adhesive. It's really strong, and so this is a way for me to ensure that they all arrive in one piece, you know, because you don't want to have a cart mail and then it is ungluing. So anyway, so let's just put it here, and we're gonna be putting this guy here. I'm gonna be gluing this like so. And I'm going to be popping up this one. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to find my dimensionals here. Where are the dimensionals? Oh, here they are. I'm always losing dimensionals. So let's just pop this one. This will add some dimension. And you know what, I probably put it, yeah, no, I think it's fine where it is, yeah, so that I have that nice black border. So here it is, really quick and easy. I mean, is that not really gorgeous? And I think adding that gray shadow, it really makes it pop up even better. So anyway, if you like my videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put all the description, all the items that I use in the description of this video, and also on my blog at www.creatingwithali.com. Also, if you're not a subscriber on my mailing list, do subscribe, because I am mailing all my subscriber free tutorials for these cards. So if you want to receive those, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll put a link also on my website, as well as the description of this video. And finally, one more thing, I'm also doing Facebook Lives every Thursday at 7 p.m. On my page, Creating with Ali. So if you want to join us, I'll be more than happy to see you there. So thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye.